this is Dave Curtis from Lansas Products. Today we're here to talk to you about one of the new products that we have, which is a 14-inch vacuum plate. This vacuum plate is made for testing the vacuum suction off of the pump ends for larger size pumps. This 14-inch plate, made with aluminum frame, has a 3/4 inch foam backing. Of course, you've got your vacuum gauge and a 1/4 inch relief valve to be able to relieve the vacuum from it. What we're going to do right now is we're going to fire this pump up, get it up to RPM speed, and at this point in time we'll test the vacuum on it, and I'll show you how quickly this will draw vacuum and show that it's showing the pump head being able to do what it needs to do. Again, as you can see how simple it is to draw vacuum to be able to test your pump in heads. This plate is very versatile. You see that this pump in has already pulled a full 30 inches of mercury against this vacuum gauge to show that that pump head is working and performing to its peak and par. To release this plate, it's nothing more than the 1/4 inch turn valve to be able to release the vacuum. Drop this thing down. See that your test is done. Now you're ready to move on to the next pump. Through some of the training videos that we've done, we want to make sure that you take note to follow all safety precautions and procedures when handling pipe plugs or pipe testing equipment. Make sure you're also following any regulations, whether it be city, state, or county, and follow the guidelines of your confined space entries. So thank you again for taking the time to watch our video, and we look forward to you having a safe day and completing your project correctly.